Okay, so these were the problems from the Your Turns. So hopefully you've already done them first, or at least attempted them, and this is you just kind of checking to make sure that you got them correct. So we're going to start off with that first one, 5x minus 10 equals 15. The first thing we're going to do is add 10 to both sides. So once we do that, that's going to give us 5x is equal to 25. The next thing we're going to do is divide both sides by 5, which is going to give us a final answer of x equal to 5. So for our second one here, again, this is kind of like the second problem we had above in our examples. This time I'm going to move this negative 2x, so I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So that's going to give us 9x plus 3 is equal to negative 19. Again, making sure to be really careful about those negatives and not dropping that away. So the next thing we're going to do is move that 3. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So 9x is equal to negative 22. And then the last thing we're going to do is divide by 9. 22 is not divisible by 9, so we are going to leave that in that fraction form, negative 22 over 9. Or if you don't like that, you can put it in decimal. Rounding this guy to 2 decimal places, that would be x equals to negative 2.44. Okay, so for our last one in the Your Turns, we do need to distribute this 2 first. So we're going to distribute this 2 to the 4x. We're also going to distribute it to the 10. That's going to give us 8x minus 20 equals 3x minus 12. Again, now we're going to move our x's together. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. That is going to give us 5x minus 20 equal to negative 12. The next thing we're going to do is add that 20 to both sides. Again, remember, always trying to get x by itself, so everything we do is all about getting that variable x by itself. So that's going to give us 5x equal to a positive 8. And the last thing we're going to do is divide by 5. Alright. Again, 5 won't divide evenly into 8, so we are going to leave that as the fraction, 8 over 5. Or if you want to, you can put it in the decimal format. This is going to be 1.6.